Yo, what is that over there? That joint looking mighty fine. Hold up. What is that? Let's take a look, yo. Ooh. What's going on, y'all? Welcome to Kicks and Beats, the channel that gives back to the hood. So you know what's good. Make sure to hit like and subscribe. Now let's get to it. YouTube family, what is going on? It's your boy Broadway J, host of the channel Kicks and Beats, the channel that gives back to the hood, so you know what's good. Giveaways monthly. Hit like and subscribe. Especially if you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe. We got to cover this shoe today over here. This is a Yeezy 700 V3 silhouette, and the colorway I got right here, guys, Fade Carbon. Now, for those who don't know, this is the 10th colorway to have dropped so far when it comes to this silhouette, and this is my favorite silhouette of all time when it comes to the brand. Let's go take a look at it. Alright, so here's the box right here, guys. Take a look at the label in the front. And shout out to Packer for this one. I got it from this website called Packer. You could visit their website sometime. It's packershoes.com. I'm going to have it listed right up here so you guys can see. Sometimes when Yeezys drop this website, they do be having them at times. Let's take a look at this. Oh, we got extra laces, guys, and they're black. The shoe comes with extra laces. The laces are black. Woo! It's been a minute since this brand decided to give us like a really unique and interesting colorway for the silhouette. I feel it's about time. Wow, this is great. I don't know why, guys, but this reminds me of T-Mobile. I feel like it would look so fire if the T-Mobile employees were like required to wear the shoe at times. Then it just fades to some sort of purple when we get to the mid-center, I want to say. And then when you get more towards the front of this, what is this, RPU cage? Towards the front, you get grays. You got grays over here, I want to say. And the toe box section, it looks like a different color compared to all of the colorways released in the past. This is kind of like it's a gray of some sort. Of course, this shoe features 3M. There's reflective available on the tongue. The tongue is neoprene. The sole is not Boost, guys, but trust me, it's a pretty comfortable shoe. The midsole contains EVA foam. That's EVA, EVA. The bottom, you got this herringbone midsole going on over here. And you got some sort of gray, like over here, these circles. The gray you see here looks real similar to the toe cap. It's not the exact same, but it's similar. Alright, let's check out the insole real quick. The insole, got a black insole, it says Ortholite. Now for those who've never owned this shoe before, I just want to let you guys know, Yeezy shoes in general, you got to go half a size up in comparison to your actual size. That's what we call the Yeezy size in the sneaker community. When it comes to this shoe, I would personally recommend going an entire size up from your true size, aka half a size up from your Yeezy size, if that makes any sense. That's what I would do with these shoes. You get away with going half a size up from your true size, but it's still gonna feel real tight, guys, trust me. And the first time I ever did that with one of these shoes, one of the lace holders over here actually broke off after wearing it like 2 to 3 times, proving that, you know, you probably shouldn't get a super tight size when it comes to the silhouette. I just don't recommend it, guys. But anyways, enough of me talking over here. I just want to show you how this looks on feet. That's what everybody wants to see. So let's get to it.
Ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell them, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, all summer, all summer, all summer, 4-5 gunners, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the store and now it's like we planned it.
Now that you guys have seen that on feet look, let me know, of course, your thoughts and opinions below in the comment section. Did you cop? Did you not? Do you plan on copping via resale market? Because I don't think these are available no more within retail stores, if I'm not mistaken. Let me know, comment section below, and stay tuned. We got more shoes coming along the way. We have a giveaway taking place, I believe, within the next 2 days on this channel. Stay tuned for that. I'm gonna be doing a YouTube live, but I'm gonna notify you guys via Instagram stories. So for those who don't have the Instagram handle, It's the same name as this YouTube channel. Make sure to follow us on Instagram as well. It's real helpful if you guys can follow us on both platforms, because I don't always post information on just one. I like to use both. You know what I mean? So you already know what time it is. It's time for me to leave. But thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. You guys have a blessed night now. Peace. New designs locked in my closet. I'm opposite of dirty. Final pocket sneaker releases a season early. Y'all remember I had the high like low since September. Comprehender. Fella like myself a trendsetter. Mars yellow with the Gucci sweater. A groupie fella who does it better. I run tracks on acapellas. I run tracks and whack rappers in this era. Cause I'm better. Get fed up, get wet up if you think you gon' play me in a setup.